Hello all, welcome back to Sri Sai Tech Edu YouTube channel, Read, Lead, Success. I am dealing with the subject Research and Publication Ethics under Module 1 Philosophy and Ethics. Introduction to Philosophy concepts are done and I have uploaded in my channel. If you have missed out, please do watch. Under Ethics, there are some concepts. In further videos, I am going to discuss the topics of under topic Ethics. Ethics. Under the topic ethics, there are three topics, that is definition, moral philosophy, nature of moral judgments and reactions. Along with this, if there are any important topics, those also I'll do a separate video and I will upload. Definition. The discipline dealing with what is good or bad and with moral duty and obligation. A set of moral principles or values put in place for the betterment of all, conforming to professional standards of conduct. Ethics is the disciplined study or morality, and morality asks the question, what should one's behavior be? Ethics is nothing but what? How we conduct the research, whether it is a good or bad, dealing with what is good and what is bad, and how one's behavior should be, and what is the morality of asking the questions, and the discipline study or morality. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos, which means customs, usages or habits. Ethics is also called as what? Moral philosophy. Moral philosophy. Ethics are concentrated on a set of rules and regulations that people should live. It governs their behavior of rules, that means a set of principles that what is good and bad. That ethics are nothing but what? The rules and regulations, how should people live while doing their research or whatever. Ethics is nothing but the how people should live with rules and regulations. It is the proper regulations to our behavior. It is about the philosophical psychological characteristics. It is not philosophical, it is psychological characters like sympathy, generosity, kindness, like this. Like this, there are many psychological characters. To begin with, let us see the definitions of ethics as given by various philosophers. Paulson depicts ethics as a study of customs or ethics. Mackenzie, ethics is the study of what is good or bad and right and wrong in conduct. Like this, there are many philosophers, they gave their own definition. By said, as the study of the good, ethics is the science second to none of the ideal and the should. Jadunath Sinha quotes that morals is the study of the highest good. William Lilly, moral is a standardizing study of the lead of people living in social orders. Science which judges thus direct to be correct or off base, great and terrible. Immanuel Kant's ethics is called as what? Categorical imperative, which is a universal ethical principle stating that one should always respect the humanity to others and that one should act in accordance with rules that could hold for everyone. Ethical is used in various ways in daily language. The goal of ethics is to provide systematic explanation of the subject matter. It systematically seeks to explain what is wrong, what is right in human conduct within the context of ideas. It classifies our actions either voluntary or involuntary into the moral and the immoral and evaluates them. Ethics is the study of customs and habits. These are the habits that make up a person's character. A person's character is his or her inner disposition, while their conduct is the way they act. Ethics is study of what? Customs and habits and the person's character. Ethics is the responsibility of the every individual. It is more than adherence to law. It is more than what? Adherence to law. We should have ethics. A person may indulge in an unethical practice, but unless caught, law cannot come into force. Research ethics. What is research ethics? We will see now. Ethics are the set of rules that govern our expectations for our own and others' behavior. Research ethics are the set of ethical guidelines that guides us on how scientific research should be conducted and disseminated. Research ethics govern the standards of conduct for scientific researchers as a guideline for responsibly conducting the research. How responsibly we need to conduct the research is told by what? Research ethics. Research that involves human subjects or contributors bears distinguished and multifaceted ethical concerns. Research ethics is unambiguously concerned in the examination of ethical issues that are appraised when individuals are involved as participants in the study. Ethics is about creating a mutually respectful relationship with the research population. Subjects are pleased to participate. Community regards the conclusions as constructive. What is research? Why is research ethics important? Why research ethics is important? We will see. It is a reflection of respect for those who take part in research. Respect for those who take part in research. It ensures that no unreasonable, unsafe or thoughtless demands are made by researchers. It ensures sufficient knowledge is shared by all concerned. It also imposes common standards like about the respect. It has become the norm as an expectation for research activity. A professional requirement for practitioners in some disciplines, example psychology. A requirement to comply with external agencies to obtain what? Funding. Ensure that researchers can be held accountable to the public. The things which we have seen, why it is important, those are the points why this is important. Now we will see what compromises ethics or makes people ignore it. What compromises ethics and how why people are ignoring it? Because they have power, greed, fear, not in my backyard, like everybody is doing it. It does not hurt anybody. See, why this is happening? Power. They think they have their own powers and like that. So greed. Greed in the sense they greedy about they should only get everything like that. Fear. Fear is nothing but they are fear of thinking of ethics. So they ignore it. Not in my backyard. Like they think ethics is not required for me. As everybody is doing it, so even I will do it. And the individual may think it will not hurt anybody. So, advantages of research ethics we will see. Research ethics promotes the aims of research. It increases the trust among the researcher and the respondent. It is important to adhere to ethical principles in order to protect the dignity, rights and welfare of research participants. Researchers can be held accountable and answerable for their actions. Ethics promote social and moral values. These are the advantages of research ethics. So this completes the definition of ethics and some of the simple concept of ethics. With a new video, I'll upload the next video. For now, I'm stopping the video here. Thank you from Sri Sai Tech Edu YouTube channel. Read, lead, success. Keep reading.